If you have Oppo K13x 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down, select security and privacy, select device unlock, and then select fingerprint and face unlock. Select fingerprint, click on agree. Now firstly you have to set your screen lock, but if you have already done this, then you can skip this part, otherwise select next. You can select numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. I'm selecting pattern. Wait for 5 seconds and then click on next. Draw your pattern, confirm your pattern. Now place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor like this. Keep on tapping on the sensor so that it can completely capture your fingerprint. After this, click on done. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint like this.